Hey guys, so there's a little bit of confusion on how you're going to do pages 4 and 5 in your notebook, whether it be digital or a paper notebook. So I'm going to hopefully clear up some of those ideas for you. What we wanted you to do as a science department is look over our class rules and the contract that we've given you for lab safety. To find that, go to Google Classroom. And if you're in my class, it's under classwork. You can scroll all the way down to where it says parent resources, and there's the lab safety contract. I would like you to look through this lab safety contract and pick out 6 to 10 items that stick out to you that you feel like you could do in a comic book format or maybe even in a meme. Many of you in your All About Me slides told me that you love memes. So I thought what a great opportunity for you to do a little bit of self-expression. So I would first open this up and then look through. To get an A, you need to do 10 images with 10 captions. A B is 9, C is 8, D is 7, and then 6 or less, and you haven't really done the assignment. So if you don't want an A and you're like, I'm fine with 9, then go ahead, settle with 9, which is a little silly because you could get an A for doing 10. So let's say that I'm going to pick rule number 6, proper clothing follows school dress code. And then in my assignment here on Google Classroom, I'm going to try to find an image that represents maybe somebody who's not dressed appropriately for being in the lab. So I'm going to search the web. I don't know, what search term can I use? Cut off sleeves, because you probably shouldn't wear cut off sleeves in the lab. Like, she is definitely not dressed for the lab. So I'm going to stick her in there. There's my image. She is not lab ready. I'm going to shrink her up because I definitely want to get all 10 of my points, right? And then I'm going to add some sort of a text box. Oh, shoot, I forgot. What rule am I grabbing? Number 6. Okay. So I'm going to insert a text box. You know what? I might even do it as a cool shape. And then here, I'm going to put hashtag number 6, not lab wear ready. All right, and now maybe that's my little fun thing about what she's not doing properly, and she's not dressed for the lab. I think I'm going to match this box with her boots, like, woo, yellow, right? And I can even add other things like, hey, shorts are not appropriate, and you don't want flowy sleeves because they could get stuck in things. So I add my other arrow, this. Maybe I want to add another symbol. Where's that little, you can't do that symbol? I think it's under shapes. Here we go. Oop, can't do that. I'm going to change that to red because those signs should be red, right? I'm going to copy and paste that. Control copy, Control V. Boop. She is not lab ready. That's one of the rules. And you don't have to do them all like that, but this is an option. I wanted you to be creative. Remember the fun shapes that we used before? Maybe I want to even change this shape. What if I made her into a, well, maybe not that one, but be creative. Some of you are just giving me lists of rules and there's no image attached to it. That's not a meme. That's not showing creativity. We want you to have fun with it. We want you to be engaged with it, and we want you to be creative. So this girl is not lab ready. She's not wearing the appropriate clothes for lab. I'm pointing out that it is lab rule number 6. It's not appropriate clothes. She couldn't even wear that to school, so it's not Bartlett appropriate. So be creative, but be engaged with it. Those of you that are doing it on a notebook, the ones that have been turned into me are great because people are drawing images with captions. And then you're going to have to take a picture of that and insert it into this slide. The same way that I inserted my badge or stamp page into slide 2, page 1, and my All About Me into slide 3, page 2. So if you were doing this on a notebook, you still need to upload those pages, but this gives you a better idea of maybe what we as a science department were thinking and what we're looking for as far as your creativity goes. You guys TikTok, you Snapchat, you do all of these things. Some of you just search for meme after meme after meme. Use that knowledge that you already have to be creative with science. Okay? Good luck and let me know if you have any questions.